Alright, so in this video I'm going to explain how to use some of the details and the additional things that I've added into these point sheets if you want to use these. So you notice a lot of this looks like the old point sheet with a few additions. I'm going to jump down here to the bottom first. So behavior objective I've added in down here where you can put in the student's behavior objective and also the strategies list here. So this is a good reminder for students about strategies. They can even help come up with these strategies and help you make the list on their point sheet. But also in later versions that I'll share with you, you'll be able to share this with parents at home and they'll see strategies that you're using at school that they might be able to use at home too. So that's a good, useful feature for both the students and families. And then over here on the right side, you'll notice that I added a column for prompts and for attendance. And if I start putting in prompts here, it's going to calculate them and add them up. And later on in later version, when I add the data collection feature in here that's going to save all this for you, it's really going to be helpful to you. But for now, what you can do if you like is write down this on a running record or a chart and keep track of the number of prompts. And this is really useful if you have, for example, you're working on a student during reading class who needs a lot of support to start their task or stay on task. You can use this prompt tally to help show the progress they're making based on the interventions that you're using. Or you can use it as an overall prompt and show how overall their days are better. You can even use it as data to support ESY and show how they need a lot more support. Maybe coming back from a break or an extended absence to help support your ESY recommendations. And then over here in the attendance, if you want to keep, which I think we were asked to do, a record of when your students are attending classes, this little checkbox will check off how many classes they attended during the day on Zoom and give you a quick record and reference for that. So I hope these extra features help. Feel free to use them to help build your data in your point sheets.